Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a wireless internet connection on your Samsung TV. So the first thing we want to do is press the menu button on a remote and open this up and scroll on down to Network. Now go on over to Network Settings and select this. Then go to Start. It says the next step is to set up a wireless network using an internal LAN adapter. Let's just go to Start. Then it's going to search for a wireless router, and I have mine turned on and it's in the next room, so it should be a good connection. Now let's choose a wireless router. So I have two of them that I can connect to, Mr. Beast and Miss Beast. Then I also have another one further away called Scump. Let's go to Scump and select this and go to Next. Then enter in the security code. So mine is relatively easy. Okay, so I entered in my code. Let's go on over to Next. And it's checking the wireless network connection to Scump. And it looks like everything is good. So let's go to OK. So we are now connected. And then I can go to the Media P button on my remote, and I can go to this gallery right here. And I can go to the Samsung apps or YouTube or browse the internet on here. And it's connecting in the upper right, and it's updating. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.